Welcome to Lilly Beauty Mantra, natural ways to whitening teeth. Teeth can appear yellow for various reasons, but a range of strategy can slow the process and may reverse it. Tip ranges from avoiding certain food to occasional brushing with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. While tooth whitening kits are readily available at most pharmacies, many natural remedies can also help remove stain and protect tooth enamel. How to whiten teeth naturally? The following strategies may help whitening teeth. Let's start making dietary change. Eliminating food that mark the teeth can prevent future staining. Foods and beverages that contain tannin such as wine and tea can stain the teeth. Coffee, dark sodas and juices can also stain them. Acidic foods can make the teeth look yellow by weaving down the enamel. People who are concerned about the color of their teeth should avoid the excessive consumption of citric, coffee and soda. Alternatively, they should always brush their teeth after having them. Dentists generally recommend waiting at least 30 minutes trusted sources after eating before brushing the teeth. Acid can weaken the enamel, so brushing too soon can cause damage. Quitting smoke or tobacco products can reduce the risk of nicotine strain. It can also prevent tooth decay and gum diseases, both of which can damage the enamel and cause oral health issues. Trying oil pulling. Oil pulling is the term for washing the mouth with oil to remove dirt, bacteria and debris. It's not a substitution for regular brushing or flossing, but some researchers suggested that washing the mouth with certain oils may help to whitening the teeth. The American Dental Association considered oil pulling to be unconventional dentistry, stating there is no reliable scientific study to show that oil pulling reduces cavity, whitens teeth, or improves oral health and well-being. However, to try this method, rinse the mouth with oil for about 20 minutes. Trusted sources after brushing them spit it out. Oil suitable for oil pulling includes coconut oil, sunflower oil, sesame oil. Next comes brushing with baking soda. Baking soda can gently polish away stain on the surface of the teeth. Some people worry the baking soda is too harsh and may grind away the enamel, but research from 2017 found it to be safe way to remove stain. Baking soda may also help to fight bacteria, which suggested that it may be able to reduce plaque and prevent tooth decay. Fourth, using hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild bleach that can help to whiten stained teeth. Tested sources from optimal whitening a person can try brushing with a mix of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide for about 1 to 2 minutes twice a day for a week. They should try only to do this occasionally. Hydrogen peroxide may increase tooth sensitivity, so it is not suitable for long-term use or for people who already have sensitive teeth. Fifth, whitening with fruit. Papain and bolmane, which are enzymes that occur in papayas and pineapples respectively, may both help to whiten teeth. A 2020 study trusted sources found that tooth bleaching gel containing bromelain or papain have substantial clinical potential to whiten teeth. However, more research is necessary to determine whether or not these enzymes are effective. ADA does not recommend rubbing your teeth directly with the piece of a fruit, as the acid in the fruit can actually make the color of the teeth worse. 6. Chewing high fiber food. Chewing certain high fiber vegetables and legumes can help neutralize the acid in the mouth and protect the enamel on the teeth. Beans or a leafy greenie like spinach trigger the mouth of the produce more saliva, which helps clean and mouth from acid. Few people have natural white teeth as teeth tend to yellow with age. However, maintaining excellent oral hygiene and having regular dental checkups can help to keep teeth bright. Yellow teeth are not usually the sign of a health problem, but a dentist can check for enamel loss or a tooth decay. Natural remedies can help people whiten their teeth at home. A dentist can also offer professional teeth whitening. So, if you wish to have a white teeth, a bright teeth when you smile, so try any of these remedies and check for future. Make sure to use this every day when you are free. Thank you. Stay tuned. But from my team, take care.